Welcome friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. So today we are going to see about the boundaries, okay, important boundaries which are important for UPSC prelims. Okay, so a 2019 question which has been asked, that is they give the list A and B and you should choose the correct answer. So here the correct answer will be B, and the question, first of all we'll read about the question. The question is Adriatic Sea, Black Sea, Caspian Sea, Mediterranean Sea, and the fifth one is Red Sea. The options are Albania, Croatia, Kazakhstan, Morocco, and Syria. What are the countries which are bordering to the correct? We should match the correct answer in this. Okay. So the correct answer is B. That is 1, 3, and 4. That is 1, 3, and your 4. Okay, friends. This is correct answer. That is Adriatic Sea is bordered by Albania, Caspian Sea is bordered by Kazakhstan, Mediterranean Sea is bordered by the Morocco. Okay, so we'll get into the map pointing. So we'll get start into this. Okay, so first of all we'll see that Adriatic Sea is bordered by Italy. Okay, this is your Italy. Just a second. Yeah, this sketch is okay. So first of all it is Italy, second one is Slovenia, third one is Croatia, fourth one is Bosnia and Herzegovina. This is your Bosnia and Herzegovina. Next one is Montenegro. Okay friends, Montenegro. Here it is your Albania. Okay, so these are the countries which are bordering to the Adriatic Sea. So once again we will see to it. So total how many countries are there? There is 6 countries are there. Okay friends, total 6 countries are there. So we'll go in this way, clockwise direction. Okay, first country is Italy, second one is Slovenia. Okay, Slovenia, third one is Croatia, fourth one is Bosnia and Herzegovina, fifth one is Montenegro, sixth one is Albania. Okay friends, so these are the countries which we saw till now. Okay, so you can see here it is your Balkan Peninsula. Okay, this is your Gulf of Venice. This is your Gulf of Taranto. Okay, this is Strait of Ontario. Okay, so you should remember these small locations also, which are most important for prelims. Okay, so next we will see about the Black Sea. First option we have done about the Adriatic Sea. Okay, so next we will see about the Black Sea. We done with the Adriatic Sea, now we will see about the Black Sea. Okay friends, so Black Sea is bordered by Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania, Ukraine, Russia, and Georgia. Okay, so it is also bordered by the six states. Okay, it is also bordered by the 6 states. So what are they? We'll see. That is, first one is Turkey, second one is Bulgaria, third one is Romania, fourth one is Ukraine, fifth one is Russia, and the sixth one is Georgia. Here it is, Georgia is located in this region. Okay, so you should remember these all things. Okay, so next we will see about the third option, that is Caspian Sea. We done about the Black Sea also. Now we'll go to the Caspian Sea. Okay friends, so this is a Caspian Sea, and Caspian Sea is bordered by Kazakhstan, Russia, Azerbaijan, Iran, and Turkmenistan. It is bordered by the 5 countries. Okay, so UPSC may get you into the trap. That is, it will say as Russia was bordered by Caspian Sea in the southwest. So your answer will be wrong at that moment. That statement will be wrong because it is bordered by the northwest. Okay, you can see here it is bordered by the northwest. Okay, so we'll see into the countries, what are the boundaries of the Caspian Sea. So first country is, let us see about the Kazakhstan. Okay, so this is the first country. Second one is Russia. Third one is Azerbaijan. Fourth one is Iran. Fifth one is Turkmenistan. Okay friends, so these are the countries which are bordered by the Caspian Sea. Okay, now we'll go for next option, that is Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea, what are the boundaries of the Mediterranean Sea? So it is little bit lengthier, but we don't have any other option, we can't skip, right? So it is bordered by the 21 countries. Okay, what are the countries? That is Spain, France, Morocco, Italy, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, Albania, Greece, Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, Egypt, Libya, Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco, Malta and Cyprus. So these are all the countries which are bordered by the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so we'll get into the map pointing right now, from now. Okay, so first of all we'll see about the Spain. Okay, this is the Spain. Second is France. Next one is Monaco. Okay friends, so Monaco, Italy, Slovenia. Okay, so you can go here. So see here, this is Morocco. Sorry, wait, yeah, we'll go into the clockwise direction. So this is, see, here is your Monaco, this is third and this is fourth one. Okay, ये fourth one है. And then we'll move for Slovenia, fifth. Sixth one is Croatia. Seventh is Bosnia and Herzegovina. Eighth one is Montenegro. Ninth one is Albania. Okay friends, and 10th one is Greece, you can see here. 11th one is, this is Turkey. 12th one is Syria. 13th one is Lebanon. 14th one is Israel. Okay friends, 14th one is Israel. 15th one is Egypt. So 15th one is Egypt. 16th one is Libya. 17th Tunisia. 18th Algeria. 19th Morocco. Okay, Malta and Cyprus, 20 and 21. Okay friends, so you should remember these all because they are most useful for UPSC preliminary examinations. Okay, so we'll see next, that is Red Sea. Okay friends, रेड सी के भी देखेंगे अपन कि कौन कौन से बाउंड्रीज है इसको लेकर, ठीक. सो द बाउंड्रीज आर इजिप्ट, सूडान, जिबूटी, Eritrea, Saudi Arabia and Yemen. Okay, so there are over 6 countries which are bordered by the Red Sea. Okay, so what are they? We'll see from now. That is, first one is Egypt, second one is Sudan, third one is Djibouti. So where the Djibouti is located? Here it is located, Djibouti. Fourth one is Eritrea. This is your Eritrea. Fifth one is Saudi Arabia, the big nation, and sixth one is Yemen. Okay friends, ये 6 countries है which will be bordered by the Red Sea. Okay, so these are all important for UPSC prelims. ये पिछली बार 2019 में ही पूछा गया था, ठीक है. एंड देयर आर मोर चांसेस टू आस्क अगेन एंड अगेन, ठीक है, कि मतलब रिपीट हो सकते हैं, कि डोंट एक्सपेक्ट दैट UPSC विल वोंट repeat such kind of questions. Okay, so in between you should remember even what are the straits here. Okay, so अब straits कैसे आते हैं, जैसे कि you can see here the Bab-el Mandeb, Gulf of Aden. Okay friends, so you should, Gulf of Aqaba, here it is located. Okay, so you should remember, you should glance throughout these kind of maps. Okay, यहाँ पे जैसा कि in between what is the strait is located here. Okay, between the Morocco and Spain, that is Strait of Gibraltar. Okay, so here it is your Bosphorus Strait, Aegean Sea, Ionian Sea. Okay, Sea of Crete. Okay, so you should remember these all things which is most important for UPSC, and I hope you enjoyed the video. and please do subscribe for Acquire IAS for more updates. Thank you very much.